Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to segment this user details, just this part, and how to create an edit page for this user details. So once we want to edit it, we'll just change the name and change the email, then click update. Now let's go to our VS Code. Now in our VS Code, we'll go to our web.php. Inside these routes here, all these routes actually we don't need them. Then you come to your user dashboard. This is the part we are trying to segment, just from year to year. Now this is the part we are trying to segment from year down to year. So now what do we do now? We have to create a route. We have to create a route here. Then have a route. Now what do we name this route? We name it edit profile. Edit dot profile. So we'll create this name route in our web.php. Come here. We'll change this one to edit profile. Then we'll change the method name to edit profile. So we will leave the route as /profile. So now in our this will be in our user controller. Change it to user controller. We have used the user controller up already. So now in our user controller, we want to work on the method edit profile. So once we open our user controller, we'll create a new method, public function. What is the name of our method? What is our method name again? It's profile. We'll put it there. We'll copy this comment. So now in this method controller, the only thing we want to do is we want to return the view page of the edit profile page. So we'll just return view. Then for the edit profile page, where do you want to create it? We want to create it in our front end folder. Then inside our dashboard folder. Then we'll create this page, edit on that. This is the page we'll be creating. So now let's create the page. We are creating this page inside this folder. That is inside our sources view, front end dashboard. Create this profile dot blade. Click enter. So now from our user dashboard page, the part we want to copy is this part from this div. Instead of copying only this part, let's just copy all. Then we are going to edit this password part out and edit only this part we need. So inside your edit profile, so we'll not be using the password here. Leave the login here. We don't need this. Don't need this. We don't need this. So take off the closing div. Now you can save all and check it out. Save all. Once you save all, let's take this part off from our user dashboard. From our user dashboard, we'll take this part off. Now save all. Let's check it out. We reload this page. Now click on user details. As you can see, so here we have only our user details, so we can edit it and we can edit the name and email and edit the. So now in our user details update file, in our edit file, we need to be able to display our name and our email here. So how do we do that? In our VS Code, in our user controller, before this return view here, we need to know the ID of the user that is logged in, and we need to get all the details of the user that is logged in. So we've done this in our admin controller already. Actually, this part. So we did this in our admin profile. We just copy it, paste it. So once you paste it, as you can see, we are using alt and user here. So we need to use alt and user up here. So you come to your admin controller, just copy this, copy everything here. Paste it. So now our alt and user, we've loaded it up here. This is our user model and this is our alt. This detail. So now we need to compact this profile data. So these are you compact it. So it should be in single quotes. That is all. Now you save all. Now inside your edit profile, you type value. So inside your value, this is where you will display the name of the user that is logged in, also the email of the user that is logged in. So for the name, we've already gotten the details of the ID particular user that is logged in using this variable here. I hope you remember how we did this with name. We use this ID variable to know the user ID logged in, to get the user ID that is logged in. So now we use this profile data to find the ID and get all the details user that is logged in. So now we'll use this profile data variable now to get the name and email inside our ID profile. We'll use this variable now to get our name and our email. Paste it. And the name of the field is name. I see it here. Our name field is name, and our email field too is email. Copy this. Our email field will be email, and our name will be email, ID email. Our text will be email. Let's check it out if our name is visible. I will save all. Remember, we sign in with Ari, so we should be seeing ari@gmail.com. Let's reload. You can see our name and our email is. Now if you go to the dashboard, user dashboard, I want your name and email to be visible here too. So under this update your details, let's make our email and name visible. You come to your VS Code, your user dashboard, just put name here and email here. Now to make your name and email visible here, we pass this directly into our Git profile page. So now this is our user dashboard. So to make the name and email visible, there's something we call PHP block. So we'll be using the PHP block to make it visible. So to do that, I'm going to type the PHP block here. That will be at PHP and ending the PHP block. PHP. What I'll do here, we'll be copying this same code we used. This is all we need. We'll just copy this, paste it here. Remember, we are using the user model here. When we used it here, we're able to load it up here. So, but in the blade folder, we can't load it up here. So we'll be using it direct, using it from the model location. So the model location is located inside app, then is located inside model user, inside app, inside models user. So now we've gotten the particular user that is logged in ID. We've gotten all the details user using this variable here. So we'll use this variable to display the name and email. How do we do that? Same way we did this part. Let's copy this. Paste here. Change this one to name. Now let's save all and check what we've done. Save all. We'll reload. As you can see, our name and email is visible, but this is not where we want it. This is where it should be. Right there. Now let's save all and check it. Okay, as you can see, name, array, email. I don't think we need this. We can remove. Just put break here. So you save or you reload. As you can see your name. And so now we are going to still make our image visible here. And if you click this update profile, it takes you to where you can update your user details. So here you can see your email and password. So in our next video, I'll be showing you how to update your name, your email. Once you update it, it will be visible here, so you will see the changes here. See you in the next video.